Hey, how's it going, guys? Time for today's YouTube recap. As you can see up here in the top right, it's 1:48 market time. So before getting into today's actual order flow, I'll show my executions. Let's go over the constructing of the daily plan I post on the community tab on YouTube as well as here on StockTwits. So the first thing I posted was, as I start out my daily plans every morning, I start with a TPO chart. If you're new to TPO charts, I know they look intimidating, but they're not. They're really simple to learn, and once you do learn them, you just take a glance and you got all the information you need. Each one of these, letter things, this is called a market profile. And things that we look at for these, is where's the value area high, value area low, or other way around, of course. But points of control, the shapes of these market profiles, what the bottom looks like, what the top looks like, a whole bunch of things that help us derive information that helps us create these daily plans. Step 2, I always go to my 4-hour chart. As you can see here, I annotate these pretty heavily, and I send them out in the Discord room every morning, interpreting what I'm reading on the order flow. From there, I go to my daily plan, and it's much of the same thing, just obviously a different time frame. So we had PPI this morning, so that is the reason for this. You can see right here, 0 transactions, just a skip up. If you're unfamiliar with these charts, these are called footprint charts. Everyone has theirs configured a bit differently. Pinned on the home of the YouTube channel, I have a video just explaining how you read these charts, or at least mine. So, coming into today, I posted here, this obviously the zones, and we got plays over here at this very cautious buy zone. So, as of this time, there was 2 different bounces. We can see my executions here, but I'll actually pull it up on Sierra. 2 bounces here, though. It provided a 22.5 point bounce and a 17 point bounce. And then I think, I posted one more. It also provided another 10. And so let's go into the actual charts now. This is a 4-hour, but let's pull this up. We'd see that this pivot held, wicks down, but we're holding it on the 30-minute, and the second we have a close under, look what happens on this close. We have a lot of trapped volume. We revisit this, and these trapped participants provide the floor, or the ceiling rather, and start for the move down. I think there was some news, but looking at the order flow, it's very, very easy to read. As well as the longs I was taking over here. You can see these candle closes. On the close, we're closing with a bid. There's a lot of volume trapped over here. Same thing over here, right? That's what provided us with these nice longs. Of course, you're going to have chart traders trading like, larger time frame moving averages and stuff like that. So that's a 30-minute chart. Again, 4 hours, so you could just see above us how much volume is trapped. And 1 second. There we go, back on that 5-minute chart. So this is the open, of course. We come down, we get this close, 0 print, meaning complete exhaustion. We have buying imbalances moving up, another 0 print. I'm taking the long, but I was only filled 1/3 size, so my personal trading rules, if I am not filled, at least a half, maybe 2/3, I have to take it all off at first target price. Looking to test these sellers, just quick 5 points. We come up, make a lower high, higher low, and again, same kind of thing, sharing how I execute, actually using and reading the order flow. I have videos and intro series on the site, but much of the same thing here. I was filled now half size on this one. First target, I took some off at 5 points, and then I was actually going to trail. I wanted this at 43 to see if we would run these highs over here, right, or at least test these sellers. But that didn't happen. I had a OCO order, so my trailing stop was just at 5 points or 43. Obviously, I got stopped. So pretty much I took off the whole position at 5 points and then over there. Those were the only trades I took today. I was happy with those 2 trades. I had a good day, so I just left it and spent my time elsewhere. So if anyone traded today, I hope you guys had a good day, a green day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next recap.